I've always been into cars. I love vehicles, all types, mostly fast cars, of course. And once I started making money with cars as a business, it was kind of a no-brainer. Before, when I'm buying cars wholesale and I'm at the auctions, it's an all-day process. Standing in there all day, doing paperwork at the counters. So by using BacklotCars, it was kind of different for us because we're tire kickers. We want to go to the auctions and actually see the units we're buying. But Backlot, it gives me so much more time. I'm able to buy inventory right here at my desk. I can still kind of be hands-on with my business, greet the people, help out around here where I'm needed, and still get all of the inventory. So I'm able to go to BacklotCars from my phone, close deals, have cars delivered, set up transport. Everything is done right in the palm of my hand. Even on vacation, I'm on my phone buying cars on Backlot. My wife is hollering and yelling at me, "Hey, get off of your phone." Takes a couple of minutes. That's usually what I tell her. Hey, it's only gonna be a couple of minutes. We're buying units from all over the country. I buy cars from Texas. I purchase cars from as far away as California. Our profit margins have increased by about 25%, 30% using BacklotCars. We're not spending as much time or money with transport as we normally would be. And then the quality of the units have definitely increased. Better cars, more money. So it's a no-brainer.